name is Ashlyn Rose and I am a makeup artist and a social media influencer. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of the newest palettes from Morphe, the 5H Happy Hour palette, and I'm super excited because I saw this online and I absolutely loved it, so I needed it like ASAP. And before this video even starts, please do give us a thumbs up and follow us on YouTube, and also check out Wheesearch's online website. And we show you guys how makeup looks, wears, and feels even before you buy it, and our opinions are honest and truthful. I wasn't sent this palette, I bought it myself because I honestly just love Morphe and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like and how it is before you even buy it. So make sure that you don't miss any of our content. This is how the packaging comes, and it's really nice and sleek. I love the look of this, and it's only $15 in stores and online, which is really good for a 15 eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm shook. Overall, I love Morphe's packaging. It's so good all the time. It always looks nice. And so you got the matte finish right here with the glossy over here. I love it. So the outside of the palette is really nice and sleek, and it's a matte finish with texturized text on the front. Very plain. I don't mind that, but I'd like if they could spice it up just a little bit. But it's just the outside packaging, so it's not that big for me personally. Opening it up, it's beautiful. Beautiful. So this is how it comes. Let's swatch some of them. So this palette has 60% matte and 40% sparkles. Now with all of those swatched on my arm, I am very impressed with them so far. They're beautiful colors. Now that I've tried them on my arm, I'm really excited to try them on my eyes, so let's get into this tutorial. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to be using the color Mixer as a transition shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease. So right off the bat, it's not as pigmented as the other colors, but it is really good as a transition shade because you can build up the color as you go along. Taking the color Cheers, I am going to use that to darken up my crease and my outer V. This color is very pigmented. I only had to tap my brush in the color once and it was extremely pigmented. Very easy to blend, which is so lovely, especially with matte colors. Sometimes they're really hard to blend and sometimes they're not. And that one is extremely easy to blend. Taking the color Last Call, I'm going to be using that on my outer V and underneath my bottom lash line. Now taking the color Flirt and a flat brush, I'm going to be using that in my inner corner and on my lid. So I'm going to really try not to use a spray for this because with most shimmers you have to use a spray, and I just want to see how this applies without it. Now using a small flat brush, I'm going to take the color Hotspot and I'm going to put that in my inner corner for a highlight. Okay, so I'm sitting here applying my mascara and lipstick, and I keep looking at the middle corner of my eye, that highlight, Hotspot. Hotspot is beautiful, and I'm like, that needs to go all over my face. So I'm going to use that as a highlight all over my face. Altogether, this palette is beautiful. It is almost 50% sparkly and 50% matte. It is $15, so it's very inexpensive, especially for this high of quality of makeup. It's really good. So it wasn't cakey, super smooth finish, and the colors were so easy to blend. Matte or sparkly, they were both very easy. The sparkles definitely have shine. I didn't even have to use a spray on the sparkles. They were shiny enough and they're so pretty. Of course, if you want them to be more vibrant, yes, put some spray on them, like finishing spray. That helps a lot, but otherwise, you don't really need it, which is very new to me because most palettes that I have to apply some kind of spray onto the shimmers to make them even look nice. And it's medium to high coverage. Some of the colors in it are buildable, so they're very much more sheer, and then others are extremely pigmented that I only needed to use a very small amount and it applied beautifully. So overall, I'm very impressed with this palette. This look is gorgeous. I would definitely make this look again because it makes my eyes pop, especially having blue eyes. These colors make your eyes really pop, and so I extremely love this makeup look. The colors applied beautifully, super blendable and buildable if you wanted to. And the only thing I would change is that there was quite a bit of fallout. I would have liked it if there wasn't that much fallout, but it didn't mess up my makeup underneath, so I can't really complain much. So highly, highly recommend the Morphe 15H Happy Hour palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do make sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube and check out Wheesearch's online website because it's amazing over there. I'm one of the featured creators. So if you enjoyed this video here, you'll definitely enjoy everything over there, and there's more reviews over there for you. So you can get updated on all the new makeup that's coming out. I hope you all have an amazing day, and don't forget to be you because you are absolutely beautiful. Bye guys.